Hey, what are you doing?
I'm just writing my planner.
Can I sit there?
Yeah, of course. Go ahead.
What do you write in your planner?
Well, in this Menchie's class, you need at least 4 classes to write down on what you did in that class.
Is it graded?
Yeah, each month you pick a partner and you grade each other's planners.
How is it graded?
Each week equals 25 points, and all 4 weeks, which equals a month, equals 100 points.
Can I try?
Yeah, of course. Let me flip to a page for you. Here's a pen.
Like that?
Yeah, you're a pro.
Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome.